fun story. I just filmed the whole new release video and I didn't have the mic on, which is literally my worst nightmare. But I didn't, what's it called? Didn't put everything away, so that's like the pro, but let's go ahead and get into it. I already did this whole thing once, but we're gonna go ahead and go at it again, but now I know what I'm saying. So let's start at the top like I normally do. First thing that we have is the new kit labels. So these are perfect for organizing your kits. If you didn't know, I do kit lineup videos, and in those I have my B6 print impression planner with my sticker sleeve inserts, and I use these labels at the bottom to mark what kit I'm using, so I'm able to plan out my kits in advance and keep everything organized. This is the July through December 2023, which is wild. So basically like the rest of the 2023 dates. So that'll be available Wednesday at noon Eastern with the rest of this. And then we do have the doodles for this week. This is color number 55. It comes in all 12 sheets. There will, of course, as always, be a buy all bundle option if you want to save a couple of dollars. And this will be available Wednesday through Sunday. And I just love pulling 1, 2, 3 of these out a week and being able to have doodles in all of these more like kind of different colors, because you know the regular doodles are mostly like a pastel color, which does have a lot of matches in most kits, but it's nice to have those for some different colors. The characters for this week is a little Harry Potter bunch, and I love them so much. I'm going to use them for marking the movies, rereading the books, all of the things. So this is 46 through 50. So you have Harry, Hermione, Ron, Dumbledore, and Draco. We do have another Harry Potter kit coming out soon, exclusive art that's gonna like rock y'all's socks. I wanted to line it up with this, but there's just so many Valentine's Day kits, and these were already pre-numbered, so they are coming out. And then we do have 3 foil bundles, and these are such good everyday basics. I am kind of just thrown for a loop that I have not released really anything Lavender Hollow in a more basic foil bundle. I'm like trying to think. We have in the shop, we have Lavender Hollow in Celestial, Luxe. Do I have Celestial twice? Oh no, Park Hopper, Hearts, Candy, Stars, Tropical, Birthday. And that's it, my friends. I don't have it in confetti or anything. So we're bringing this to the shop, and this is a great basic to have. Also, these are on special pricing from Wednesday through Sunday, so definitely get your hands on them because it's a great deal. So this is the Lavender Hollow. I'm not going to open this one because I'm going to show you these ones. These ones are kind of like different foils, but also just very basic and usable. So let me just go ahead and flip through the confetti bundle in case you're not familiar with it. So you do have this page here, which has the 6 full boxes and the glitter header overlays. You get 2 of these, which is more than enough, plus extra of full boxes and headers. You get the bougie boxes, 2 pages of those, the icons and scripts, and then you get the bottom washi fancy headers, deco, and date numbers. So this here is like a chunky sparkly hollow, and then this one is a chunky sparkly gold. I'm going to go ahead and show you a couple comparisons here. First, I want to show you the flashlight situation because like beautiful. So you can see this is like a more of a chunky, where our champagne lights and our sparkly hollow are more of like a micro glitter. So this is like the chunkier version of sparkly hollow. And then I just wanted to show you in comparison to champagne lights so you can kind of get the tones of this. This is a little bit more of a, come on champagne lights, where are you? There we are. This is more of a like a little bit of a warmer gold. So this is gonna be perfect for like summer, but also could be perfect for like the holidays. And then champagne lights is a more like, I think, neutral gold, cool tone gold. So you can kind of see the difference. And then you can kind of see the difference in the texture. This is more of a micro glitter, and then this one is more of a chunky glitter. And then I'll quickly show you, since I have it here, the difference in the texture of this like chunkier sparkly hollow, and this is like the finer sparkly hollow. And this is in our like Winter Magic foil bundle, and they are just really good basics to have on hand, honestly, because like it's a gold, sparkly gold and a sparkly hollow. So those are the 3 new foil bundles coming to shop this week. Again, they are great basics to have on hand. Confetti goes with literally everything. I've not found one thing that confetti doesn't go with. It's just a really nice basic to have on hand. And these 3 foils are ones that you can match up with so many different kits. Again, we have lavender hollow, the sparkly chunky gold, and then the sparkly chunky hollow. So those will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern as well. Then we do have 3 kits this week, one of them being exclusive art. This is my exclusive art Valentine's Day kit for this year. And I'm happy that I did this specifically because I didn't see any other like kitty art this year for Valentine's Day. And I know that that's like a big part of Valentine's Day. And usually one of my top sellers is like a kid version of art. So this is Little Valentine. Also, I didn't see a lot of like super red Valentine's Day art. And I have some foil coming out. It's just, I'm waiting on like one specific thing y'all see next week. Hopefully it comes today and can be prepared till then. But I have some fun things coming and it's going to be so cute. And I think that especially these 2 kits specifically, this one and Pillow Talk, there's some really good foil combos coming. So this is Little Valentine. I love the pops of red. You could also just use like a sparkly red with this, which might be something that I have coming, but there's like something extra. You'll see. Extra full boxes here. I love the patterns, the papers, the colors, the everything. It is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. I love this. I just love the red. I love red for Valentine's Day. I think it's so pretty. And then this box here, in my opinion, is calling for a quote. You have the freebie and the ultimate in mini, which is like another little party scene with all of the balloons. I don't know what it is about balloons, but I just love when there's balloons in kits. It just makes me so happy. And I feel like this one is going to be so pretty with like a sparkly red, a sparkly pink, a pink. You could do silver, you could do gold, you could do rose, you could do, I think you could do hollow. You could do like a lot of different foils with this. Personally, for me, I'd wait for next week and see. And I think that y'all will really be excited about it. So it also does come in a mini kit like all kits do. Then you have the doodles if you want to add it on. Functional, label, ombre, and then there are 3 kid options. So you have number 1, 2, and 3, and they are tall boxes. So super stinking cute. The next one here on the opposite end of the spectrum is Pillow Talk, and I pulled, whenever I was doing this first time, I have this like sheet of all of the foils that are coming, and I think the next 1, 2, 3, 4 foil bundles that are coming out would look good with this, like all 4 of them. There's another one too that I'm thinking about releasing after that would go with it, but I might space it out a little. I don't know. We'll see. But at least the next 4, no, just kidding. Not the next one, but then the next 3 after that will go with this one. The next foil bundle, I think, will go with the other one. You will see. It's so cute though. So you have Pillow Talk here. You have the marble in the background, which is so pretty. I wasn't sure if I was going to use this in my kit lineup specifically, but I think I need to make room now just because I love these colors. I think this is one of the ones that you're going to be really excited to buy, to have. And then once you lay it down, you're going to be like, oh my God, my life, it did not start until this moment. It is so beautiful. I think this could be a really fun color block moment. Again, a quote would be perfect on there. I love the purple. It's just so pretty. The freebie and the ultimate and mini are just 2 extra flat lay boxes. It's just everything. So many boxes to choose from. You have, what, 13 in this kit? Perfection. I think that this one would go well with all, like I told you, not the next one, but then the next 3 after that foil bundles would go with this that I'm going to be releasing. But also if you wanted to keep it simple, any purple, any pink. But I think that this would go really pretty with silver, but also it would look really, really good with gold, or gold with Champagne Lance Mixed Metal. I love it with silver because I think that would be like a nice, like it would accent it, but I think a gold would pop, in my opinion. So that's what I think about that one. Pillow Talk. Let me show you the add-on options. So there is the functional, you have the doodle, you have the ombre, you have the label, you have label 2, gorgeous, and then you have the fam option. So you have fam 1, so you have your tall box, and then your 2 regular boxes, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Oh, and then there is also fashion. So you have even more options. This artist always just has so many fashion options that I have really hard times picking. but also has so many good scenes. So there's like really a lot of box options. This is the same artist that did Birthday Queen. So stinking cute. And then last, but certainly not least, is Star-Crossed. And I am obsessed with this art. Jess showed me one of the girls before she posted on Instagram, and I was like, oh my God. Oh my God. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It was this girl. So stinking cute. So cute. I love this. I love it so much. It's beyond love. And there's marble in this. I feel like I was having a marble week. I haven't pulled marble in a while, and I was like, these two kids, they're just vibing with marble. Love this. I love how it's kind of like the opposite on the colorways. This is like bright and fun, and this one is just like ethereal and beautiful and chic. I'm just obsessed, and this is going to be, I think, my anniversary week. My anniversary rarely doesn't fall on a week of Avery, one of my best friend's children's birthdays, and I usually just pick an Avery birthday kit, but they're on separate weeks this year, and this is like the perfect anniversary kit in my opinion. Also would be great for anytime. I think this is a great anytime kit. Could be like a month anniversary, a wedding anniversary, Valentine's Day. Like I said, I think it could be anytime kit. It's just so pretty. For some reason, this just is very like Parisian looking to me. I love the fashion options in this. I love the colors, just all of the like, it's like a monochrome like pink moment with this like nude in here. I think this would look really pretty with gold champagne lights mix. I think it would also be pretty if you wanted to do matte bronze, matte silver, both of those mix. I think that you could do regular gold, you could do silver, you could do rose. There's really no wrong like option for this. I think anything's going to match it and accent it really well. I just keep looking back at this foil sheet that I made, and I just feel like there's so many good options. I actually think even like a traditional rose gold would be really pretty with this one. Or like a gold hollow, like I think we have a celestial or a star gold hollow. I think that'd be fun to pull in. Y'all, I can't contain myself. But also matte bronze. I think matte bronze would be really classy. If you wanted to do super classy, I'd go matte bronze. I just think it's so pretty. The extra colors. I love this nude. Everything. The patterns. There's a slight ombre on this. I love terrazzo. I think terrazzo in like these colorways is just so romantic, and I just couldn't resist. Extra box here, again, I think it'd be perfect for a quote. It's just like a really pretty like bathtub scene. And then the freebie and the ultimate mini is the like Romeo and Juliet boxes. I think this would be so cute if you did this and then had it open to this. I think they'd be so cute. Or if you wanted to put this in the sidebar with that box with the quote on top of it, if you find like a Romeo and Juliet quote and then it opens up to this, I think that'd be so pretty. I just love this so much. So that is the Star-Crossed kit. I think as also, I always talk about foil colors, but I also think foil bundle wise, this would be really pretty with a lot of different ones. Like obviously you could do like your main. So you have your shimmer, your confetti, your sparkle, like those would be really pretty. But I think also you could do a star, you could do a celestial, you could do hearts, you could mix them. I personally like mixing them. I don't like too much of one thing. So I like to take like little bits and pieces of things and like toss them together. So maybe take like a confetti bundle and then take like a celestial or a star and like mix them together. And I think it'd be really pretty. I love this. So you have that in ultimate and mini. And then there is the functional page if you want to add it on the ombre, the label. You also have the doodles, and then there is this page here. So you have an engaged and an anniversary. And I was just going to do one. I was going to do like one hand in the kit and then these be the freebie, but then there was like so many boxes already. And then I was like, well, I don't want to like neglect one or the other. I think I was going to do the one without the wedding band, but then I was like, this wedding band looks like my wedding band. And I was like, and then I was like, let's just do add-on pages. So you have engaged. So this one is just the engagement ring. Super cute. And then you have the little engaged with the little ring. This is from the I Do kit. I just took it out of like the setting it was in. And then this one here says happy anniversary. So you have like a little locket. It could be like a gift kind of idea. And then you have the engagement ring and wedding band on there. Obsessed. Especially because I'm going to probably use this for my anniversary. Love it. And then you also, of course, have fashion. And I could not choose. And again, there was too many boxes in the kit. I was going to, if I didn't use the hand, I was going to put the person in the like little tucks in here. And then do the two options as the freebie. But there was just too many boxes. So we're doing a fam with 4 boxes instead of a tall box because I was also like, these 3 options, I can't get rid of one, TBH. And also, I do really love tall boxes, but I feel like full boxes, since the like ratio is like wider, we could get more, especially like of this one, we could get more of the wings, and this one here with the sleeves. Like, you'd be really cutting into a lot of these within a tall box. So I was like, yeah, we need the 4. Plus, I mean, who doesn't love more full box options? Because not like we don't have enough already. So this is fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So stinking pretty. I'm just obsessed with everything this week. I feel like Valentine's Day, I feel like Christmas, I know I'm going to be excited all the time. I'm always ready for Christmas. But when it comes to Valentine's Day, I don't think I'm ever like super like pre-hyped. But whenever it rolls around and things start getting released, and like when you have like a full week of Valentine's Day releases, that's when I start to really like start dancing like in my seat, because I'm like, oh my god, everything's so pretty. I feel like I channel my inner J. Crew Plans, who just loves love, and I'm just like, oh my god, everything's perfect. So that's everything for this week. All of these releases will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern. These will be on special pricing from Wednesday through Sunday. And then the color of the week, as always, is only available Wednesday through Sunday. So I hope you all love everything. I do. It's just so stinking cute. Very excited to put these in my lineup and put these away and start planning out my kids for next year. I hope you love everything, and I will talk to you in my next one.